Successful entrepreneurs know how to save on the cost of goods and have their own assortment. They order goods directly from manufacturers of China. How do they do it so easily? Simple and straightforward. They work with M3 Cargo and save 25% on product costs. M3 Cargo opens up new opportunities for your development and business scaling because we provide a turnkey service. Entrust the delivery and cargo customs clearance and do what you love. M3 Cargo is a successful start for newcomers to procurement in China and a growth point for those who have been on the market for a long time. After all, it is very profitable to carry goods by sea due to Group H cargoes. You do not need to pay for the whole container. You pay just for the delivery of your goods according to their volume. M3 Cargo fixes the price, therefore it does not change. Therefore, all payments are transparent and there are no unplanned surprises. And there is also excellent service and any questions are solved by a caring professional manager. Open communication and transparent working conditions are not a privilege, but a basis for our customers. To find out how much the cargo shipping costs, leave a request on the website.